Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 40R, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, hold power button and volume up at the same time, and then select power off from the boot options. Now when the device turns off, you're gonna hold those two buttons once more, so start pressing power button and volume up at the same time. When you see the TCL logo, you can let go of the power button but keep holding volume up. And as you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. Now in here you will need to use volume buttons to navigate either up or down depending on which one you press, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Going over the options, we have things like reboot system now, which takes us back to Android, and we have a reboot to bootloader option and fastboot mode. I believe actually both of those are going to enter fastboot mode. We have apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. So anyway, I'm gonna stick with the first one, confirm it, and like I mentioned before, this just brings me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.